Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I'm going to be focusing on a quick and easy card using this Whale Done. I'm going to use the Thanks a Ton and Whale Done, and then see this little guy here. Now I could stamp that out if I wanted to, and then I'm going to use the punch to go ahead and punch that out. But what I'm going to do is, instead of stamping the whale, I'm just going to take a piece of the designer series paper. I cut a piece out with that little whale on there, and then we're going to use that. Now he is a little thin to put on there with some just some dimensionals, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm also going to get out a little piece of Whisper White Thick. So I've got a scrap piece there, just like that. And then what am I going to use? I'm going to use some Blackberry Bliss, because that is going to match really well with that color there. And then I've got a sheet cut in half. It's Whisper White Thick, and it is cut at 5.5, and then it's scored at 4.25. I have a piece of designer series paper that I have cut down to 4 by 5.25, and let's go ahead and just get started. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial, and if you are on my email list, then or watch my blog, then you will see that I have all the instructions written down for you today on Friday. So I'm trying to do free tutorials every Friday, and this is going to be that one. So check that out. Alright, first things first, let's go ahead. We're going to get out some adhesive here. I'm going to take this guy, burnish him down with our bone folder. And that's going to lay fairly flat there. And then I'm going to take this piece here, and we're going to get out our Thanks a Ton. We're going to figure out where our whale's going to go. I think he's going to go right about there. So we're going to highlight this with that Thanks a Ton. And we're just going to stamp right on the paper. We're going to line it up nice and straight. And look at that. And then while we have our ink out, we're going to take the Whale Done, and we're just going to stamp that right in the middle there. Look at that. We are halfway through. Can you believe that? All right. Now we're going to take this guy here, and we're just going to put our stamp and seal. I always have to start it. That's the one thing so far. Now I've heard some people have trouble with it, and then I've heard other people are no problem. Now as soon as I start it, I don't have a problem with it. It's just getting it started, I think. There we go. And now we're just going to stick this on here. And if we cut everything correctly, we can make a border just like that. And then when I lay it down, it's going to come out nice. Look at that. All right, now we're going to take this guy. Now again, I want to make him thicker, so I'm going to add some cardboard to that. But we're going to go ahead and put a good amount on here because we want the whole thing to stick. And just put it wherever you'd like. I'm going to put it kind of toward the end here. See, now that it's stuck on there. Now when we cut this out, it's going to have some, it's going to be tough. But there we go. But now it's like a nice thick cardboard piece. So we've got that there. Now we just need to get out our dimensionals. And I just keep mine tucked away here. We're just going to put a couple dimensionals right on here. Is this a simplest card? And look how quick and easy it was to make. And now we just have to figure out where this guy's going to go. And I think, I mean, this has already done the trick here. I think we could just put it right here. And look at how cute that card is. And we are all done. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And then also check out my Beauty and the Stamper blog at beautyandthestamper.com. If you want to purchase anything, just go to jeanpiersani.stampinup.net. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.